If you also want to upgrade your kitchen and make your daily cooking easier, these are 20 must-have products that can transform your space into a smarter, more efficient kitchen. All product links are in the description below. A compact air fryer that doubles as a cooking and storage system. It includes a power pod with 6-cup and 4-quart non-toxic glass containers. The smaller one is perfect for personal meals, while the larger fits up to a 4-pound chicken. With max crisp, air fry, bake, and re-crisp modes reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you get crispy results with little to no oil. The glass containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, and leak-proof lids prevent spills. Powerful, space-saving, and practical. Designed for non-stop juicing, this slow juicer powers through tough ingredients without clogging. The high-torque motor extracts juice efficiently while preserving nutrients. With 2 pulp filters, less pulp and lots of pulp, you control the texture. One touch, start, stop, and reverse. Keep it simple. An anti-drip lever prevents messes, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Compact, easy to assemble, and built for daily fresh juice. This compact chopper uses a simple stack and press design. Just press the lid to chop. The 350-watt motor easily handles onions, herbs, nuts, hummus, and dressings. Stainless steel blades chop, puree, and emulsify quickly. The 3-cup bowl is perfect for everyday prep without taking up counter space. Bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Small size, big convenience. Keep fruits organized and fresh with this space-saving 2-tier basket. Raised feet improve airflow, and the built-in banana hanger prevents bruising. Use it as a full 2-tier system or separate into a single bowl. No tools required for assembly. Decorative iron design adds style while keeping your countertop clutter-free. Air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and rotisserie in one appliance. With 17 presets and a digital touchscreen, cooking becomes effortless. Rapid air heating cooks food evenly with up to 98% less oil. The 10-liter capacity handles family-size meals, while the viewing window and interior light let you monitor progress. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. A true all-in-one countertop oven. Get accurate readings in just 0.5 seconds with plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision. The 4-inch probe keeps hands safely away from heat, and temperature lock ensures easy reading. The auto-rotating LCD screen works for both left and right-handed users. It's fully waterproof and features motion-sensing wake and auto-sleep. Perfect for grilling, baking, or BBQ. Slice, dice, shred, and grate with one tool. Durable stainless steel blades handle vegetables, cheese, and more with precision. The non-slip base keeps it stable, and the built-in container catches ingredients to reduce mess. Includes multiple blade sizes, egg separator, hand guard, and cleaning brush. Saves time and simplifies meal prep. Make single-serve ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt at home. The freezable mug design keeps it compact and perfect for small kitchens. Easy to use and simple to clean, it includes 2 bowls for convenience. A fun and personal way to enjoy homemade desserts. Grill indoors without smoke filling your space. Advanced airflow reduces smoke, while the 1,500-watt heating system reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for authentic grill marks. The non-stick surface drains grease into a removable drip tray for healthier cooking. Digital temperature control ensures precision, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick. Brew tea at the perfect temperature with preset settings for white, green, oolong, and black teas. Made from borosilicate glass and stainless steel with no plastic touching water. The built-in infuser works for loose leaf or tea bags, and the 30-minute keep warm function maintains heat, ideal for hot or iced tea year-round. Crush unpeeled garlic cloves effortlessly with this rust-resistant stainless steel press. The ergonomic handle requires minimal effort, and built-in studs extract more paste in seconds. Peels stay inside the chamber, reducing mess and odor on hands. Rinse under water or place in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Durable and built to last. Made from strong borosilicate glass, these containers are safe for oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher use. Airtight snap-lock lids prevent leaks and keep food fresh. Multiple sizes and shapes make them perfect for meal prep, leftovers, lunches, and travel. Stackable design saves space while keeping your kitchen organized. Accurately weigh ingredients up to 11 pounds with this slim digital scale. The LCD display and tare function allow precise measurements, and you can switch between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. The stainless steel surface is easy to clean, and batteries are included. Reliable accuracy for baking and portion control. Keep drinks at your perfect temperature, warm, hot, or piping, for hours. LED lights show battery life and temperature, and the charging coaster keeps it powered. No app required, just one button control. Spill-resistant lid helps retain heat. Simple, smart, and perfect for daily coffee lovers. Cook up to 30% faster with dual top and bottom heating. It fits a 12-inch pizza and operates quietly at 55 decibels. With 15 cooking modes and AI smart recipe generation via app, it adjusts settings automatically. The PFAS-free ceramic basket is non-stick, and the self-cleaning mode keeps maintenance simple. Advanced performance in one sleek appliance. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The seamless one-piece design prevents food buildup and makes cleaning easy. Gentle on non-stick cookware, these spatulas won't scratch your pans. 5 different shapes handle mixing, folding, scraping, and stirring. Durable and versatile for daily cooking. With 1,000 watts of power and total crushing technology, this blender pulverizes ice and frozen fruit in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for family-size smoothies and frozen drinks. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Strong, reliable, and built for everyday blending. Create rich, creamy foam in seconds for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot chocolate. Compact and battery-powered, it's easy to store and simple to clean. Just rinse under water while running. Works with dairy and plant-based milk. Cafe-style drinks at home. With a slim 3.58-inch profile, this toaster fits easily on any countertop. The extra-long 10-inch slot handles artisan breads and bagels. 6 shade settings, reheat, and cancel buttons offer full control. Removable crumb tray and cord wrap keep your kitchen tidy. Compact yet versatile. Shred cheese and vegetables quickly with 5 interchangeable blades. The strong suction base keeps it stable during use, and the hand crank design keeps fingers away from blades for safety. All parts disassemble for easy cleaning, and the compact size stores neatly. Faster prep with less effort.